share with you guys my 5 favorite lactation treats. Hi, welcome to Cake Mom. I'm Abby. This is Zeta, and on this channel I share with you guys some of my favorite tips and techniques as well as recipes to help you with your home baking projects. If you're new and haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel and hitting the notification bell so that you can see when I post my next video. So I wanted to share with you my top 5 lactation treats. If you're unfamiliar with what this means, these are treats and supplements that help you boost your milk supply if you are a breastfeeding mom. So all 5 of these are on my channel and I will share with you the links to each video. So first things first, I want to tell you guys about the additions to these cookies and treats that make them milk supply boosters. So we have oats, which are #1, fantastic. They work very quickly. Coconut everything, shredded coconut, coconut oil, coconut cream. These things all help boost a milk supply, as well as Brewers Yeast, another great one, and flax meal. There are other ingredients that also help, but these are the main ones I use to help boost your milk supply. So first up, I have a lactation cookie. These cookies were oatmeal chocolate chip, and the kids loved them also. These are more of a treat for mommy. They are so good. Gluten and dairy free if you do have sensitivities to either of those things, and they are wonderful. Next up, I have another cookie recipe which were amazing, and honestly I loved them even more than the first cookie because these ones were very healthy. They didn't have any added sugar, but they were also chocolate, and if you're like me, mama needs some chocolate. So they have pecans, coconut, and chocolate chips, so they almost tasted like German chocolate cake, but they were wonderful and super easy to make, and the kids loved them too. These cookies were also gluten-free and dairy-free and vegan as well, so extra points there. Next up, lactation brownies. Honestly, if you had to pick one of these treats to try first, I would go with the brownies because they're super easy to make, but also they are a very decadent treat for mommy. They're full of chocolate, they're fudgy, they're wonderful, but they're also kind of healthy. They do have sugar in them, but they are gluten-free and they're dairy-free, so they are definitely worth trying out. The kids loved them too. Next, we have some lactation energy bites. These things are awesome. They're super quick, very easy to make, and also you keep them in your fridge and can eat them whenever. You don't have to bake them, so that's definitely a plus because when you're a brand new mommy, there's not a lot of time for baking treats. But they also have a lot of added protein. So if you're missing some meals because you can't sit down long enough to eat, these things are great to have on hand. They've got peanut butter and protein powder, so they are chocked full. This recipe is also gluten-free, dairy-free, and egg-free, so if you are sensitive to eggs, this one is a great one to try. You can also make it vegan if you don't want to use the honey. You can switch it out, as I have in this video. Last but certainly not least are these awesome lactation granola bars. They were super easy and fun to make. And my kids were obsessed with them because they were super easy and fun to make. The kids loved them. They ate a ton of these granola bars. But some points on this one, they are gluten-free and dairy-free, and they do not have any added cane sugar. The only sugar that are in these bars are what are in your ingredients from the peanut butter and the jelly. They were so delicious and super easy to have on hand for breakfast and anything like that. So I definitely recommend those granola bars. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you try out some of these awesome recipes. If you have some other favorite lactation recipes, make sure you let me know down below, especially if there's something you want me to make. Let me know because I would love suggestions. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to this channel, hit that notifications bell, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and share it with all of your friends. We'll see you guys next time.